Welcome to Big Fun Time. We're gonna have some fun.
It happens every weekday and we welcome everyone.
So come join us and play some games. We might do a quiz too.
Perhaps we'll wear some fancy dress. There's lots of things we could do.
We should get our snorkeling gear and dive into the sea.
While we're there, let's ask some fish if they'd like a cup of tea.
Ooh, we could play a game where we jet off into space. Hello!
Or we could get sporty